ocean is full of scales, crabs, dolphins and sharks and whales. Don't worry, we won't run dry. The ocean's extremely wide.
We're kind of losing the point of this. You need to forget the girl that you miss. Think of the women you haven't met.
Bloody, bloody, bloody ocean's wet.
Heartbreak isn't easy. I've been there once before. She held your heart so tender and then tossed it to the floor. She stabs you with a dagger made of hatred and remorse, and then spits up putrid anger on your burning, rotting corpse.
Plenty more fish in the sea. There's plenty more fish in the sea. Global warming's not bad, it's just a fad. Plenty more fish in the blue sea.
You're miserable inside. There's plenty more gods to stand by your side.
Don't live in famine, place not in salmon, all that you wish. Plenty more fish.
Guys, you don't understand. When I say fish, I mean girls, not actual fish.
Ah, I get you. That makes sense now. Like this. There's millions of nice females.
Right.
Big boobies and scaly tails.
No.
They live in a seashell shack.
Heartbreak
A
isn't
lovely
easy.
rack. Her dad forbids her to leave the sea. Although she manages finally to marry the prince and live happily.
How can this be helping? That's just the plot of The Little Mermaid.
Plenty more fish in the sea. There's plenty more